Welcome to Mango a Day, a guide to mindful and creative living for the busy bees and go-getters like yourself.
Good morning, my name is Nancy Pham. I'm a family nurse practitioner with a specialty in primary care psychiatry. Today I'm going to be guiding you through a meditation to bring it back to the breath. So you might be wondering, why is meditation so good for me? Mentally, meditation can just turn off that chattering mind and bring us back to the present so you can actually fully experience your day. Physically, meditation helps us regulate our nervous system. So the nervous system is remarkable. It controls the way we experience the world. It helps us with the way we think, the way we perceive, our sensations, our emotions, as well as just the body's normal functioning. So this is going to include our thoughts, our feelings, our emotions, as well as things that we're not paying attention to, such as our heart beating, our breathing process, our sex drive. All these things we don't think about, it's still happening in the background. When we take a breath in, we activate the sympathetic nervous system, which quickens the heart. And then when we let that breath out, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which slows down the heart. So naturally, we're very rhythmic creatures, always speeding up and slowing down. This is often an automatic process. And using meditation, we can tap into this process to be able to bring ourselves back to center, especially if we're overregulated or underregulated. We can actually use this technique to bring it back to center. And then if we can do that, we manage the way that our body is experiencing the world, which then in turn affects the way our mind thinks of the world and the way we can experience it. So with that being said, please join me in our meditation.
Let's begin. I'd like you to get into a comfortable position, whatever it looks like for you. If it's laying down, go ahead and put your arms by your side, keeping your palms open. If you'd like to sit, go ahead and sit in a chair or cross-legged with your hands in your lap, palms open. Whenever you're ready, gently close your eyes. We're going to start by focusing on that breath. Follow the inhalation as it goes through your nostrils. It might be a very subtle sensation, but continue following this as you allow yourself to naturally breathe. In and out. In and out. Next, we're going to follow our breath into our chest. As you inhale, tune into the expansion of the lungs and the rising of the chest. As you exhale, feel the contraction and the movement of your chest dropping. See now if you can follow the feeling of the breath going in and out through your chest. Take a few natural breaths in and out. Bring your awareness to the belly. Can you take a big deep breath in and feel the contraction of the belly? And the big breath out and feel the relaxation of the belly. Imagine the body is just breathing itself. From the belly button to your obliques, notice all the movements of your body with each breath. Take a few deep breaths like this. Let's go ahead and bring the oxygen into the muscles of our bodies. Go ahead and take a big deep breath in, pulling the oxygen down into the lower abdomen, oxygenating those muscles and holding it there before you letting it out again. Go ahead and take another deep breath in, hold it at the lower abdomen, giving it each a little bit more oxygen, and exhaling. Let's go ahead and bring the oxygen a little bit deeper this time. We're going to bring the breath deep into your cells. Take a big deep breath in and imagine the breath moving in through that cell. And then go ahead and exhale. Continue following your breath for a few moments. Awareness back to the natural breathing pattern, focusing on any of the regions we discussed. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Refocus it on the direct experience of the breath. We're going to continue observing this for a minute. When you're ready, we're going to bring our awareness back to the room. We're going to let those shoulders drop, wiggle your hands and toes, and slowly open your eyes. Wrapping up this practice, bring this awareness into your daily life. Stay in touch with your breath in moments of stress or anxiety, or any time you need to feel grounded again to help the mind remain present.
Thank you so much for joining me today and being so present right now. I hope you're feeling more grounded and more at ease. Whenever you need to, just remember you can always come back to this meditation. Have a beautiful day.